Okay, do you want to hold him? Here, mommy, sit up. Oh, that's nice hugging. Okay, sit up. Sit right here. Sit up, please. Okay, ready? You gonna hold him? Mommy's gonna put him by you. He's gonna be really fuzzy. Say hi, Austin. Okay, I think you're all done, aren't you? That was fun, wasn't it?